Texas sheet cake is notoriously Southern. Lusciously moist chocolate cake made with buttermilk, cocoa, and topped with pecans. Baked and frosted in one long sheet pan, this rich cake is no muss, no fuss. Forget cake layering or multiple steps of precise frosting. This is a cake for the non-baker. No fine pastry skills required. As the frosting of melted butter and cocoa seeps into the warm cake, you are left with an incredibly moist and rich dessert. Served warm or at room temperature, you never have to worry about this cake being dry. Perfect for serving large crowds, this is a recipe that can be easily doubled or tripled for big parties and family gatherings. Just make sure you have enough sheet pans. The fact that you can cut and serve it right from the pan is a huge bonus, allowing you to skip the cake stand or serving platter. After the cake is baked into the sheet pan, you literally pour the liquid frosting over the warm cake, and you are done. Whether it is for a large family birthday party, a weekend barbecue, or just dinner at home, go big with a Texas sheet cake. Your guests will thank you and probably ask you for the recipe. As if all this wasn't enough motivation to get you in front of your mixing bowl, this cake is perfect for transporting. No need to search out a container tall enough to cover your cake. Just throw some foil over the top and go.